going to talk about climate change and how this affects agriculture. Crops need sustainable soil, water, sunlight, and heat to grow. Warmer air temperatures have already affected the length of the growing season over the large parts of Europe. Flowering and harvest dates for cereal crops are now happening several days yearly in the season. These changes are expected to continue in many regions. In general, in the northern Europe, agricultural productivity might increase due to a longer growing season and extension of the frost-free period. Warmer temperatures and longer growing season might also allow new crops to be cultivated. In southern Europe, however, extreme heat events and reductions in precipitation and water availability are expected to hamper crop productivity. Crop yields are also expected to vary increasingly from year to year due to extreme weather events and other factors such as pests and disease. In the parts of the Mediterranean area, due to the extreme heat and water stress in summer months, some summer crops might be cultivated in winter instead. Other areas, such as western France and southwestern Europe, are expected to face yield reductions due to the hot and dry summers without the possibility of shifting crop production into winter. Changing temperatures and growing season might also affect the proliferation and the spreading of some species such as insects, invasive weeds, and or disease, all of which might in turn affect crop yields and crop yields. A part of the potential yield losses can be also offset by farming practices such as rotating to match water availability, adjusting sowing dates to temperature and rainfall patterns, and using crops variabilities better suited to new conditions. Land-based food sources are not only food sources affected by climate change. The distribution of fish stocks has already changed in the northeast Atlantic, affecting the communities relying on those stocks throughout the supply chain. Along with increased maritime shipping, warmer water temperatures can also help facilitate the establishment of invasive marine species, causing local fish stocks to collapse. For farm mitigation proposals can be planned to reduce the high temperatures by taking out a percentage of CO2 of the water, use of oxidation pots, cleaning the water to reuse it as irrigation for crops. This will help a lot with the problem of drought and reducing the use of water into consideration that agriculture has the highest level of use in the world. The use of EPM, reducing the contamination of pesticides by using EPM methods, is the best way to reduce the high level of contamination that chemicals produce on the soil, air, and people. Thanks.